Our time right now, 6:38. A longtime Huntsville business is celebrating a big expansion today by 104,000 square feet to be exact. That is big. Radiance has been providing support to the Department of Defense for more than 2 decades now, and WAFF 48's Caroline KLAPP is live for us this morning to tell us all about the rapid growth for Radiance here in the Rocket City and also how that company is celebrating today. Caroline, good morning.
Good morning, Trent. This afternoon, the who's who of North Alabama's political and business leaders will be coming here for an official ribbon cutting. It's to celebrate Radiance's new facility and headquarters. You can see it behind me here. I talked to their CEO, and he tells me the business is thriving. He says Radiance provides engineering and technology development services primarily to the Department of Defense and Intelligence community. Their CEO, William Bailey, says they do a lot of work for Redstone. Bailey says the employee-owned company began outgrowing their space on Wind Drive, so they drew up plans to build a brand new building. He says the new space also allows them to advance their workforce with a new training center that holds up to 200 people at a time. Bailey says he believes the company's innovative culture and employee-run model is a big contributor to the rapid growth.
We're building labs like nobody else has here in Huntsville to support Redstone. We're building a lot of spaces that allow us to not just continue the support we have, but to grow the support we have. So we didn't just build a building. We made an investment in future capability and capacity.
Bailey tells me he expects to hire about 100 more people in the next 18 months. Again, the ribbon cutting is at 3 p.m. today. That is private. However, there is a public open house at 4 o'clock, and there will be door prizes if you want to come check out this new facility. Reporting live in Huntsville, I'm Caroline KLAPP for WAFF 48 News.